Kalong sisa ka sngi ka basa jingkan mau haka history jong kipai ba nong sosnong jong ka Western Riboy ka baderu ka Jirang Constituency haka ba haka sin ka baning kong kane ka constituency ka lala ban sakhi ya ka jingwan yu kjan jong menteri rangba ka jala ukon rat ke sama ubalasim khia dalade banet Jurip ya kane ka constituency khamtam ya ki katto kane teligisnong hapo kane ka constituency haka baide ba ka jingpyntreikam ya ki skhim pynroi ya ki ba lapan mang kerpang da ka sarkar pedeng kane ka jinglet banyuk jat da ukon rat ke sangma ku menteri rangba ka jala sya ka Jirang Constituency ka deru sibanta na ka jingsim khia ka jong u hakaba ulapun kret lupa kum ka block to block visit banlin wat bnya ya ki jingpyntreikam hok ya ki skim sarkar banti bnya ru halor ka jinglong jingman jong kisnong githau bat bantip ru halor ki jing bat ki jingnokam jong ki paiba ka jalahi barokowe ya ka baul asdang shwa napo ka Jirang Constituency bat on penbut pat sekiwe kiwe ki block jong ka jalahi barokowe hakani ka ski laisan ranlang yo menteri rangba ka jala haka jinglet Jurip jong u chakate ka constituency da usampat kumar ubade u commissioner secretary ka CNRD block kakong RM kurba deputy commissioner ka Riboy district uba Shempang Serti superintendent of police ka Riboy district lambat kiwi ki officer jong kitnat rekam sarkar bo fair jong ka district laru ban kedohang ne baka jinglong ka bakloi jong menteri rangba manik Jurip ya ka Jirang Constituency kalala ban urlong de hadin ga jingsim khia do nong mikmat jong ka than uba sostenes otun ubade u MLA ka Jirang Constituency ban persngo hau menteri rangba ka jala ya ki jing jong ka constituency bat ki jonokam ki bakerki hakaliang karoi kapar bat kiwi hakane ka sngi bau menteri rangba ka jala ula hiar se Jirang Constituency ula lik ban Jurip ru bat ban wat bnya ya ka jingpyntreikam ya ki katto ka neteli ki skim sarkar ke bala pentreikam haka snong nongsir ka snong umlakro ka snong umrit haka bala pentreikam ya ki skim pynroi ki bakuntup ya ka MGNREGA ka PMAY ka JSA bat ka CLLMP bat kiwi Syusyuru hakane kasngi MLA ka Jirang Constituency uba sostenes otun ula aiti ru ya ka dorkhas hau menteri rangba ka jala ban penpau ya ki jing bat jingnokam ki bakerki ki bakuntup nadu ka jingnokam ya ka boarding elektrik ka batikna ka jingnokam ya usurok bapaka ka jingnokam banyo ya ka connection ka batikna hakaliang ka mobile network ki jingnokam haki school ba fair kumjuru ka jingnokam ka bakhmat ban penkentiu kardano ya ka patarkhma subdivision ya ka civil subdivision.
It's really make me very, very happy in this afternoon. Your presence, the Honorable Chief Minister's presence in this office, the office of the BDO, and his visit to the villages of my constituency. So it really touched my heart, and I can say that you are a game changer. You are the starter. You have made a great example for the leaders who lead the states of Meghalaya. This is the first time that we are having our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Konrad K. Sangma, to go and visit development projects, whatever big or small. Your visit, sir, will make a lot of impact, and it will benefit each and every society, and it will benefit each and every village. We have seen through the visit that the VCs, their performance, the self-help groups, their performance, and it will encourage, of course, it will encourage our Honorable Chief Minister, and it will encourage the departments, the Commissioner Secretary, the DC, the head of the district, the BDO, the head of the office. It will encourage each and everyone. Kajingsim kya kajungpi kum ki VEC, kajingsim kya kajungpi kum ki long ilam shnong, kajingsim kya kajungpi kum ki self-help group, lingba kajing la kajungpi, lingba kajing pynroi hok kajungpi, yaki skim ki balapo lingba ka sarkar, long kat kapalong laka rit ne kahe, kajingsim kya kajungpi kan wanra e ke jingmentoi ke senong ke jumpi kum ke jingtmu jong honorable chief minister nagamanta ka pynroi kuno bane kendo bai ki pai ba usa comrade ki sangma honorable chief minister jungi ka jingtmu ko jungu banwan visit ban polish ki senong kadai banini ban set ek example ka nuksa ka bhanan taki nongyalam ki ban sabut pathadin ban peniya ka nuksa om tangi kuwe bat kunju yang aru kumu nongyalam jong ka constituency kumu leader jong ka constituency mangi de ban pet penia ngi ban wat penia ngi de ban aya ti ka yang te ka mon nak ta kino ki server group dari kino ki BC kino ki project la ka long ka bahe na ka bare na ka ban ban kentiu ya ka snong bari ka constituency ke jungi ban kentiu ka society ke jungi ban kentiu ya ka emlang ka saglang ban kentiu ya ke snong ki thau ban kentiu ki paiba ki baran ha ka constituency ke jungi bat kumju ha ka jalahi borokoi.
I know it's a very difficult time. It's raining. We did not expect it to rain, and it's not easy for all of you to be sitting out there, and therefore, realizing the situation, we have shortened the program, and even I will not speak very long because I think what had to be said has already been discussed by the different speakers who spoke before me. Friends, I have started a new program which I am calling Block to Block. And my purpose of this program is to visit every block in the state within the next 2 years. The idea of Block to Block program is for me as Chief Minister get a first-hand idea and understand the different schemes, challenges and the development programs that are going on in the different blocks. I have always believed that it is only by visiting the villages, by speaking to the villagers and by seeing the problem with your own eyes can you really understand the real challenges and problems that our people in the rural area and villages face. I have always encouraged MLAs, ministers, officers that they must go to the village, meet the people, understand their problems, and then come out with solutions. It is very easy sometimes for Chief Minister and for ministers and Deputy Commissioners to sit in their office and prepare policies and plans and programs without understanding the real problem. Therefore, I am starting this program at my level, and I hope and I encourage that other ministers, other MLAs, Deputy Commissioners and senior officials of the government of Meghalaya will also follow this practice of ensuring that they visit the blocks, visit the villages and meet the people so that they can get a better understanding and so that we can prepare better programs for the people who are living in the villages. I have seen the performance of Jirang block, and as per the records, I can see that the performance of Jirang block has been going down year by year. Especially schemes like the MGNREGS. I have seen that the amount of money that has been paid for wages from 2014-15 at 7 crores, it has come down to 6 crores the next year, and then another 1 crore down to 5 crores on last financial year. Similarly, the man days that we used to produce, those man days also have come down drastically. I think Jirang block can do better, and I hope that with more proactive officials and a very active video and other active officials like our Commissioner Secretary. I hope that performance of Jirang block will go up in the days to come, and the benefit of that will go to the people of this area, the block and the constituency as a whole.